how to order checks on Sage application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to order checks on Sage application. If you are using PC, you can just simply head over to the official website of Chase.com, that is Chase application. And if you are using Android or any other devices, you can simply log into the application itself. So there are two ways to order checks, one for personal accounts and one for business accounts. So for personal accounts, just sign into choose your check design. You can change your address that appears on your checks during the ordering process. However, to change your mailing address in their system, please you can head over to this website, that is Chase.update, and simply update after the login to your account. And you will also see the cost and any available discounts before you submit the order. And you can also order the personal checks at any Chase branch as well. So for business accounts, you can just head over to this page. So let me just quickly open this page, which is a check order page to sign in and order checks for your business account. You can also order it from any Chase branch as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.